Hello, this is James Folks, and welcome to this week's version of the SimpleVesting video newsletter. Let's go right to the charts. We're looking at the Dow here, and as you can see, it was a good strong week for almost all of the indices. Actually, the Dow was up 1.7% for the week, which is pretty strong, especially considering almost 10% unemployment came out Friday. It still had a good day even on that day that the unemployment number came out. As you can see, it was up about 0.5% that day. The next chart we'll take a look at is the S&P 500. As you can see, it's up about the same that day, and as well for the week about 1.7%. So right around where the Dow was. If we take a look at the bonds look to have a small pullback here, down for the actually they're about even for the day on Friday, and for the week they were actually up 1.1%, which is unusual considering how strong stocks were. I'll have to keep an eye on that next week. The next chart we'll take a look at is, agricultural chemicals. This is one of the strongest sectors all of last week. As you can see from the breakout point, it formed basically a new breakout just on Friday actually. Extremely strong move here in agricultural chemicals, so that's something to dig deeper on if you're interested in finding some good stocks in there probably. The next one is silver, of course, on a tear as usual, just refusing to even pull back really. It had a slight pullback here, as you can see, but then the very next day was up 3.2% from that close there. So I don't know what's going on there, but I tell you what, silver is just absolutely on fire. As you can see, we look a little bit closer. It had that breakout last week, and now it is, this is a weekly chart. It had a breakout, I guess, a few months ago, and it's just been on an absolute ripping higher over the past few days. What's next? Brewers, also extremely strong last week. As you can see, especially on Friday. Wow, what a move there. Something else to take a look at if you're interested in finding some stocks. There's some super strong ones in that area. And the Russell 2000 small caps. Small caps were up extremely strongly on Friday. Actually, it was the strongest sector of the ones we looked at. And for the week, they were up about 2%. So also the strongest sector for the week. So that's a good sign actually, because we always like to see small caps leading the market. Small caps going up is a good thing. They usually lead the market higher. So that's it for the week. Have a good week. Take care.